Verifying your account on Moan Finance is an essential step to ensure the security and integrity of your financial information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create your account. Begin by downloading the Moan Finance app or visiting the website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Provide personal information. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Upload identification. To verify your identity, you will be prompted to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the image is clear and all information is legible. Step 4. Confirm your email. Check your email for a verification link sent by Moan Finance. Click on the link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial for securing your account and receiving important notifications. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your information and documents, wait for Moan Finance to review your application. This process may take a few minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification once your account is verified. Completing these steps will ensure that your Moan Finance account is verified and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Moan Finance customer support for assistance.